How to make Instagram posts private. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there's no way for you to specifically make a post private on Instagram. However, there's an easy workaround that you can use which will give us the same effect. So once you are on the post, you need to click on the three dots at the top right corner, and then from the given menu list click on archive. And what will this do is it will hide the post from your profile to your archive, which you can find right here. You will find all of your hidden or private posts. And yeah, unfortunately this is the only way to do so as of right now, and there is no option for you to make them private or public except this one. So that was it for this video. That's how you can make Instagram posts private. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.